Alphabet adventures. Learn ABCs with us. Look at Andy the ant munching on an apple. See the determination in his tiny eyes. He's all about dedication and fulfillment. A is for ant and apple. He nibbles and crunches, having such a great snack. Ants love apples, and that's a fun fact. Bouncing with Billy the bear and his ball. The ball goes up and down. Watch it bounce so free. Playing with Billy is where we all want to be. Billy is a lively bear, full of energy. Ball is his favorite toy. He finds joy in the simple activity of ball bouncing. Engages him for hours. B is for bear and ball. Charlie the cat loves cotton candy. Fluffy and pink, it's his favorite treat. Charlie's cotton candy is quite the tasty feat. A for cat cotton candy. Danny the dog is playing with a dragon. They roar and they play around each bend. What a magical day that will never end. Dog, dragon, D. Ella the elephant has an egg. It's so delicate she handles it with flair. In the world of elephants, she's quite the rare. E for elephant, egg. Finn the fish is flapping his fin. Through the water he glides. Isn't life underwater grand? With his fin so strong, he's the best in the land. For fish and Finn. Grace the giraffe is gobbling up grass. She reaches so high, the tallest leaves she's seen. In the meadow, she's a gentle giant queen. She is tall, majestic, and spotted, a true wonder of nature. G is for giraffe and grass. Henry the hamster is having a ride on a horse. Horse gallops away with a hoofbeat that's cast. Together they zoom, having a blast. Our H denotes hamster and horse. Ivy the iguana indulges in ice cream. She can't resist its cold, creamy texture. With a lick and a taste, it's such a cool sight. In the hot sun, it's her favorite dream. Ivy's joy is truly palpable. I is for iguana and ice cream. Jasper the jaguar relishes a jar of fruity jam. He licks them clean with his big, strong jaws. Jam is so yummy it deserves an applause. He adores the sweet, sticky taste. J is for jaguar and jam. Kenny the kangaroo flies his kite. K is for kangaroo and kite. Up in the blue sky, it nearly touches the sky. With his kite on the breeze, he could almost fly. Leo the lion races with Larry the leprechaun. Through fields of clover they cheerfully run. A pair so unlikely, having tons of fun. Fun, right? You've learned A to L with our animated friends. Join us next time as we explore more letters. Bye-bye.